Yeah, welcome back to the class. बच्चे, the last 2-3 videos, even 4 videos, we have covered force and pressures all. So in today's video, we will have only brief knowledge of all the, it's all summarize of all force and pressures, right? So, and we'll give you some notes also. So what we have studied yet, let us come to the part 1. We have studied force and cause of force, effects, Sir Isaac Newton and contact forces. In part 2, non-contact forces, and in part 3, pressures, and in part 4, atmospheric pressures. Right. Now, I am going to summarize all these force and pressures so that you will understand better. The force has two segments like contact forces and non-contact forces. Under contact forces, we have frictional and muscular forces. Non-contact forces, we have magnetic forces, gravitational forces, and electrostatic forces. So, now pressure by fluids and atmospheric pressures. Right. Now, let's come to the notes of forces. A forces is a push or pull which changes or tends to change the state of rest or uniform motion of a body or change its direction or shape, which already had discussed. Force arises due to interaction between two objects. Right. Now, the types of forces. A force which acts on a body due to the physical contact with another object is called contact forces. It is basically summarize all the things which all of you have studied, right? The second is a force which acts on a body without actual contact is called non-contact forces. You will not find that kind of notes everywhere. So please understand, a force which acts at the surface of contact of two bodies when one body tends to move or moves over the rough surface of other body is frictional force. The gravitational force exerted by earth of an object is the weight. Other is spring balance is a device. Spring balance is a device used for measuring weight. SI unit of force is Newton, represented by the symbol N. Okay. And in pressures, the pressure is equal to what? Normal force by area. And liquid and gases exert pressure on the walls of the container in which they are contained. The pressure exerted by air around us is known as atmospheric pressures. In the next session, we will do assignments. Right. So, thank you for joining the sessions and for submitting DPT joint telegram. And you have, all of you have your phones and everything, you know what to do after watching my videos. Bye. Thanks a lot.